Hey there, it's Matt with the Rhinestone World. This tutorial is going to show you how the Rhinestone Visor Sport Pack is going to work to increase your sales. Don't forget to comment on this video below to enter the free Rhinestone download that we give away each month. Now this is what your download is going to look like when you get it in your vector format. You're going to see all the different pre-made mom designs over here for softball, volleyball, basketball, football, soccer, tennis, one that you can use for everything, hockey, baseball, and cheerleading. And then you also have your close letters for the longer words like volleyball and your spread out letters for the shorter words like soccer. Here's a sample of one of the hats where you can just use all your custom text. Here's another sample of the cheer mom design where obviously you can change out any of the colors of the rhinestones. The baseball mom with a custom number. The custom number is a different font pack. This is the basketball mom. Here's the tennis mom. These are all shown on visors here. You can also do all of these designs on hats as well. There's the lacrosse mom with the general mom that you could use for any sport or team, as well as the hockey mom here. Now we're going to show you how this sport pack is going to work for your visors and hats. So we're going to grab one of our fonts here. This is just a capital letters font, and then we're going to grab our different sport packs as far as the different mom designs with the balls on the inside. Now these are the more compact letters, and that's because we're just going to use a larger word like volleyball or basketball, something like that. For this example, we're going to do a volleyball design. So as you can see, very simple. You're just going to grab all of your different letters. You can just copy and paste it and just paste down the different letters that you need for each design. Now we do give you the two different font sizes because of the difference in how many letters you're going to use. So if you have a team that you want it to say Bears Mom with the baseball inside the mom, and then you have another one where it's the Yellow Jackets Mom, you can use both of those still, but you have the different size fonts to be able to use the smaller fonts for the Yellow Jackets and then the larger font for the Bears. So as you can see here, it's pretty simple just to move around the designs. All of your downloads are going to come in an EPS format, which is a vector format. So you do need some type of vector program. You can use CorelDRAW, any kind of vector format, Illustrator. Here we're using Smart Cut Pro 2. Any kind of vector format, you can edit any of our EPS files in. So we're done with the first part, which is the volleyball. Now let's say we want it to be obviously the volleyball mom, so we're going to grab the mom with the volleyball on the inside of it. We're going to go ahead and line these up. Now obviously if you want it to be a custom team, like say your high school down the road is the Mustangs, you can put, instead of volleyball, you can put Mustangs. Then you can do the volleyball mom design, you can do the baseball, the soccer, the basketball, the football, the hockey, the cheerleading, and you can cover every single sport at that school right there. So now we're going to show you what this actual design that we just made looks like on an actual visor here. And there's our volleyball mom design on a visor, and we created that in about 2 or 3 minutes. Now all you need to do is obviously cut your template for it. You can cut all different templates for all your different sports. Very easy. You have a sample that you can show your customer as far as if they want the white rhinestones, they want the pink rhinestones, whatever they want. And the program we're using for that, for the actual virtual sample part, is CorelDRAW, and we're using the Smart Designer part of it. I'm going to just use mom designs. Well, obviously with these fonts that we give you here in the two different sizes, you don't have to use any of those mom designs. Those are just bonus add-ons that are our most popular designs that we sell on our website. So that does give you the ability to sell those mom designs, which are very popular. But if you just want to sell a basic one for your high school and you want to say Mustangs baseball, well, same thing. All you're going to do is you're going to grab your font. You're going to pull out your different letters to spell out the word baseball. We're going to use the smaller font again just because baseball is a longer word. It isn't something short. I mean, if we were going to do Bears baseball, we would probably do the Bears in the larger font and the baseball in the smaller font just to make it look proportionate. And there we go. We got the baseball part of it done. We're going to move that a little bit. The mascot of this high school is the Mustangs. So now we're just going to spell out Mustangs real quick. And remember, once you have these created, you don't have to do this every single time. So as soon as you make that first baseball mom, you just have it saved. Obviously, you cut your template for it, and once your template's cut, you're done with it, and you can make as many as you want out of that template. So each one of these creations is just a one-time creation as far as the time involved in designing it. So even with the Mustangs, if for example you're making a Mustangs baseball one here, this happens a lot to us. We'll make a Mustangs baseball one, then a couple parents on the football team or the soccer team or the basketball team see the baseball ones, wonder where they got it. Only thing we have to do is switch around that bottom word where it says baseball to Mustangs soccer or Mustangs football, and we can very easily create designs for each of those sports. So as you can see, your options are pretty much unlimited with this one sport pack, and it will pay for itself in a couple of visor or hat sales. So there's our Mustangs baseball. Our customer wants to see a sample of what it's going to look like. We're going to use our virtual sample, throw it on the visor here, and there they go. They got a Mustangs baseball visor, custom made just for them. We cut a template and it's all done. As always, if you have any questions about any of our downloads or templates or anything else, make sure to contact us and visit the website for all of our templates, our Korean and Chinese hotfix stones, custom designs, transfers, our file downloads, and of course our Rhinestone starter kits. And if you do have any questions, make sure to contact us at matt@thedecalworld.com or 941-721-4653. Thanks a lot, and we look forward to working with you soon.